Basically, you have to focus on your time division on the three subjects: maths, physics, and chemistry. Coming to the last 1 month, you have to do more practice.
During my preparation, I followed a disciplined schedule and focused on consistent performance through mock tests and revision. In the final month, I dedicated my time to revising all topics I had studied, and I avoided learning new or complex topics outside the syllabus, as most of the required scope had already been covered through mock tests and problem solving sessions. Each day, I would take a mock test and analyze my performance the next day. Overall, mock tests helped me improve accuracy and speed while boosting my confidence.
एक महीने बाद जेई मेन का एग्जाम है। आखिरी महीने में आप सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या करें क्या ना करें, मॉक टेस्ट दूं या रिवीजन करूं, या सवाल हल करूं या ब्रेक लूं। मगर अब टेंशन छोड़ दो, क्योंकि आज हम आपको लेकर चलेंगे जेई मेन की तैयारी के आखिरी महीने की गजब की स्ट्रेटजी की दुनिया में। इसके लिए जेई मेन 2022 के 2 टॉपर्स आपको बताएंगे एग्जाम क्रैक करने के फॉर्मूले, उनकी दिनचर्या, मॉक टेस्ट की ज़रूरत और सटीक टाइम मैनेजमेंट से लेकर के मोटिवेशन जैसी तमाम चीज़ें। इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमने बात की है कोएन्ना सुहास से। इनकी जेई मेन 2022 में जनरल कैटेगरी में 22 और ओबीसी में 4th यानी 4वीं रैंक थी। ये अभी आईआईटी मुंबई से सीएसई ब्रांच से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। चलिए जानते हैं इनकी एग्जाम क्रैक करने की रणनीति यानी स्ट्रेटजी क्या रही।
Coming to the last 1 month, you have to do more practice because you have to know in which areas you are weak, and you have to focus more on the areas you are weak, and you have to build up on those areas to get strong. And in exam, you don't have any fear by saying those questions in which you are weak, and by practicing a lot, you get those questions which are wrong. Means there is some lack of clarity in the concept or misconception. So you have to revise those concepts in which you make mistakes at the most. Coming to chemistry, please focus on NCERT revision most of the time. And coming to maths and physics, practice a lot of questions. When doing previous year and mock test, plan this time accordingly for each subject so that you may not interrupt these times in real exam. And while facing the exam during the first time this month or the next month, first go through all questions in the paper, and you may get a brief idea about which subject is easy and which subject is lengthy, this kind of analysis. And based on that, plan your sheet, plan your time accordingly in the real exam, and do properly. In case you become afraid of seeing a particular question, leave that and solve remaining questions as fast as possible, and thus spend the remaining time on those questions which you face difficulty. And don't lag any question more than the required time, so that you may feel tense and those kind of. If you go through the mock test in the last one very perfectly, you won't feel stressed kind of in the real exam. So I try to say more focus on mock test than revision.
ये तो हुई बात कोएन्ना सुहास की। अब बात करते हैं मेंदा हेमा वामसी से। मेंदा हेमा वामसी की जेई मेन 2022 में जनरल कैटेगरी में 7वीं और ओबीसी में 2nd यानी दूसरी रैंक आई थी। ये अभी आईआईटी बॉम्बे से कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। चलिए इसे जानते हैं कि इन्होंने कैसे तैयारी की और क्या मोटिवेशन रहा पढ़ाई का, और किस तरीके से एग्जाम पैटर्न को समझा और शानदार रैंक लाई।
During my preparation, I followed a disciplined schedule and focused on consistent performance through mock tests and revision. And in the final month, I dedicated my time to revising all topics I had studied, and I avoided learning new or complex topics outside the syllabus, as most of the required scope had already been covered through mock tests and problem solving sessions. I maintained a strict routine. My day began at 6 am, and after breakfast, I started studying by 7 am. The schedule was divided into focused study blocks with breaks for lunch break, snacks, and small naps. Each subject has a 4-hour slot, during which professors guided us for about 2 hours. Mock tests played a significant role in shaping my preparation. They not only built my confidence but also helped me develop a strategy for attempting questions during the exam. By tracking my performance in every mock test, I could identify patterns in my mistakes and focus on improving them. My mock tests also gave me the experience of managing time effectively under the exam like conditions, which proved invaluable on the actual day. They were very essential for understanding the exam's format and important topics. They gave me a clear idea of which areas to focus on and the types of questions frequently asked. By solving these papers, I could anticipate high weightage topics and align my preparation accordingly. For any JEE aspirant, practicing past papers is a must and gain familiarity with the question style and the difficulty level. Then, to improve accuracy, I recommend focusing on one question at a time instead of thinking about other questions during the exam. Solving all the easy questions first is crucial to avoid missing out on marks that you deserve. Time management comes with practice. It's important not to spend too much time on any single questions. I learned to move on after 2 minutes if I couldn't solve a question. I stayed motivated by focusing on my long-term goal and trusting my preparation. Surrounding myself with equally motivated peers, like they also aim for the good ranks and top ranks. After the results, it was a thrilling experience. I celebrated for 1 to 2 days, and after that I should study according to the JEE advanced preparation. And I had made it to the IIT Bombay after getting 22nd rank on JEE advanced. And on my first day to IIT Bombay, it was a huge campus and very surprised to see people and many people on bicycles having bags on their back, very busy. And yeah, and I observed many people with drivers' backgrounds and observed the campus lifestyle. I also noticed how different the environment was, especially interacting with the students from the north. It's very different communicating with them. The hostels were a bit old, but the energy of the place made up for everything.
तो भाइयों और बहनों, जेईई मेन की तैयारी के आखिरी महीने में मेहनत के साथ रणनीति सबसे बड़ा हथियार है। हमारे इंटरव्यू से साफ है कि रिवीजन, मॉक टेस्ट और टाइम मैनेजमेंट पर ध्यान देना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है। पिछले सालों के सवाल हल करके पैटर्न को समझना और मॉक टेस्ट से टाइमिंग सुधारना, ये दोनों चीज़ें टॉपर्स का सीक्रेट फॉर्मूला है। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ ब्रेक लेना, खुद को मोटिवेट रखना भी उतना ही जरूरी है। आखिरी के दिनों में सटीकता और सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस पर खेल बनता है। तो जनाब, ठान लो कि मेहनत, धैर्य और स्मार्ट स्ट्रेटजी से कोई भी चुनौती बड़ी नहीं है। तो वीडियो में इतना ही। नमस्कार, देखते रहिए करियर्स 360।